how to show keyboard sticker suggestion in predictive text area or above keyboard on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on General, Management. After that, we then scroll down and tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Now in here, tap on Suggest Stickers while typing, and then choose Sticker Suggestion Method. In here, you can choose to show in the predictive text area or show above keyboard. So let's say I have selected show above keyboard. So if I go back to my text messages and start to type in something, happy birthday. And here you can see when I type in something, at the top here, it will suggest some stickers I could use. And that's it. After that, I can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.